Hi, welcome back. John here from Greentop Landscapes, the people that bring you those video diaries. Just to let you know where we are and give you a rough idea. We're in Cardiff, and we're in an area called Lisvane, and it's on the outskirts of Cardiff, near the country. It's a beautiful place to live, and we've returned back to this project. We priced for it some time ago, and now they decided to go ahead. But one of the things I want to point out to you guys now, that in this garden, what's actually happened is that a lot of water holds in this garden because of the brickwork. We've got the boundary wall across there, and you've got the neighbour's garage over there. And what it's in effect doing is holding the water, and it can't escape. So we're going to put some drainage in this garden to ensure that the new patio isn't submerged in water. So come down, have a look, and I'll tell you what we're going to do. If you look, well, actually, if you come over here, you can see, yes, it's a hole here, but you can see the amounts of water that's actually holding here. So we've got a challenge on itself. But at present, the existing patio are these old flagstones, 3x2, old concrete, 2 inches thick, quite heavy, quite a robust product. And we used to use these quite a bit years ago, but we would do something with it. We never had the selection of paving as you do today. So if you spin around here and have a look up here, so basically the patio is going to be more or less in the same shape. We've got this wall sweeping around here, so we're going to put a new wall in here with a new brick. We're going to take the existing stonework out, and then new foundation. We're going to put some steps on this part and make them a little bit more wider. This is not good at all, so we're going to make the steps a little bit wider, and then we're going to use a natural Indian sandstone, and the laying patterns are endless as well. And where we're going to have the drainage is, they've attempted to do something here, but it's not working at the moment, and we're going to put some drainage down here. But all will be revealed later on, so stay with us. But if you need some advice in the meantime, or you just want a quote, go to the website, which is www.greentoplandscapes.co.uk, or you can give Alison a ring in the office on 01633 896 007. So I'm going to push on now while it's not raining, because the sun is coming out, which is rare at this time of year, and I'll see you soon. Well, welcome back. It hasn't been raining now. We've got a bit of sunshine now, and as you can see, shed's gone. All the old patio is gone, completely gone, finished. So we've got a bit of recycled hardcore here now. We're going to level off. We've dug down to the depth that we're looking for, and what that will mean now, we've got some type 1 stone coming in, good quality type 1, and we're going to distribute that all over here tomorrow, nice and even. Get some good levels, get a streamline up, get some levels in, and then we'll be ready for our paving. So all in all, good progress on day 1. See you the next day.